Do you have a great product or service and you're not selling enough? One of the top reasons SMB businesses fail is because they don't build a strong brand, even though they invest in a good logo, website, and brochures. If you want to increase your sales, you need to invest in your branding strategy, which goes way beyond just design. Hi, my name is Lorraine Carter, founder of Persona Branding and Design. Join me inside my new 6-week complimentary fast injection branding masterclasses to unlock the exact systems and processes used to build standout brands with big brand know-how. This week, we're focusing on brand positioning. Brand positioning is used by all the most successful brands in the world, small and large, because it's one of the most effective ways to become a market and industry leader. In fact, in my experience of working with multiple brands across different sectors, nationally and internationally, over the last 20 plus years, those businesses that didn't have absolute clarity over their brand positioning really struggled badly. Branding is not marketing or design, but the bedrock foundation supporting and directing your whole business. So your brand positioning is a critical part of the strategy underpinning your business and enabling you to stand out strongly, because with strong positioning, you can command a premium and increase sales. So here's the thing. In order for your brand to have an impact, you need to identify and craft a positioning statement that clearly defines why you're different from everyone else, while also reflecting your strengths and competitors' weaknesses. Your new brand positioning then becomes one of the key cornerstones of your brand strategy, so you amplify and leverage it to the full across all your marketing and design. So by the end of this week's Branding Accelerator Masterclass, you'll know how strong brand positioning creates a powerful, profitable brand, be able to write and validate your positioning statement, the 7 brand positioning factors for brand success, and what positioning is versus USP. You'll also get my complimentary 20-page brand positioning workbook accompanying this live streaming masterclass, so you're enabled to implement all these insider tips and get results faster to build your brand and grow your business. It's also your opportunity to pick my brains and leverage over 20 years of award-winning branding expertise, so you're empowered to transform your brand and increase your sales. Click the link for more details and secure your spot now. I look forward to meeting you there.